This is the era of modernization, and with cities moving so fast, not everyone can own a car. People are less inclined to purchasing their own vehicles and facing so many issues like general parking, traffic, and maintenance costs. The best and simple solution to all these problems is booking a cab. I am not just saying, but you will be amazed to know that from 2015 to 2018, the number of adults booking cabs from taxi applications in the United States has grown by 21%. You see, the taxi industry is growing so much. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Apptunix and we are back with another video for all the taxi business owners. You can check out our previous videos on taxi applications given in the description. Before diving more into it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon for future updates. The ride-hailing services are also known as the on-demand taxi booking services. Uber, the leader of this taxi business industry, is the marketplace where consumers, who are the riders, and drivers, who are the service providers, can connect with each other. Drivers are not necessarily licensed individuals. They can be people who own a vehicle and want to make some extra money. The main thing that brought attention of so many consumers is that the ride-hailing services are available almost everywhere and at all times. The taxi and ride-hailing marketplace is expected to generate a revenue of $314,000 million in 2022, growing at a rate of 5.3%. where 49% of the total revenue will be generated only through the online market. By 2026, the number of active users will amount to 1,665 million. These numbers not only prove how well the taxi industry is doing, but also how much is it going to grow. For taxi business owners, this is the right time to take their business online with taxi app development. As a business owner, you should be very careful in what you invest. Now let me share some of the benefits of investing in taxi app development for your business. The first one is that the industry is very big with numerous opportunities. People are very used to the idea of using smartphone to save their time and money and getting convenience and quality services. But as a business owner, you should know that the technology is in its early stages and it will not only offer competition but also collaboration. The second reason for investing in taxi app development is going online to reach your audience. Mobile applications are the present and future of the market. Most people think to be outdated has nothing to do with online presence. However, a statistic report shows that internet is accessed more from the mobile applications and less from desktop computers. The third benefit is optimized management. Through your new taxi booking platform, you will be able to stay updated with what is happening in your app and how all the functionality of customer app and driver app is connected to the admin panel. You will be able to run your business very smoothly when all the data is gathered in one place. The fourth benefit is that you will be able to build your brand and recognition. Your taxi booking platform will bring the drivers and passengers close. The fact that your app can be downloaded by anyone and at any time will bring the brand and customers together. The fifth benefit is that you can cultivate customer loyalty. If you get a taxi app developed according to the customer's needs, it will serve a lot in gaining the loyalty of the customers. The app can have a feedback system that will keep everyone informed in case any user faces any difficulty. Hiring a mobile app development company is going to save your time and money. With Apptunix, you get excellent taxi booking app solutions. And you know what the best part is? You can get them customized as per your business needs. Now, let me walk you through the steps we follow for developing an app for your business. Find your niche. You must be very clear of the foundation on which you want to lay your taxi mobile app. Do your market research properly. Research is very important. You must gather all the information required for taxi mobile app development and for any improvements that you would like to make. Prepare documentation. You must make a roadmap containing the technical specifications of the app's functionalities, its architecture, and the tech stack details. Development. The mobile app development company you partner with must make sure that they are using latest technologies to build the front end and the back end of your application. Design. The UX and UI design of your application should be very user-friendly and attractive. Testing. You should test your app for any bug, and if found, you should get it resolved as soon as possible. Deployment. After testing and getting a good report from the QA officers, you can now launch your app in the market and watch it take over the other ones. Now that you know all the process that we follow to make a taxi booking app for your business, there's one more thing you should be aware of: the technologies that we use. For programming language, we use Python, Swift, Kotlin, React.js and Node.js. For database, we use MongoDB and PostgreSQL. For analytics, we use Big Data, Apache, Hadoop and IBM. And for payment gateways, we use Stripe, Razorpay, FlexPay and DPO. For SMS gateways, we use Twilio, Cinch, Two-Factor, Hutch and Smart SMS. And for clouds, we use Azure, AWS and Google. I hope I was able to answer the question how to develop a taxi booking app. If you're planning to launch your own business with the best taxi app solutions, don't hold back. If you have any queries, you can reach us at sales@apptunix.com or you can DM us at our social media handles given in the description.